This is how to change the cabin air filter in your Jeep Wrangler. Today I'm with a 2024 Wrangler, but this will work for multiple years. To start off, open the glove compartment right here, and then it will fall down. First thing that we're going to use is there's a latch mechanism. Just push backwards on the latch and it will pop up. And then once it's popped up, you can then pull it out to the side. The next thing is at the top of the glove box right here, this tab is just holding it up. So if you push up on it, it will fall down. And then the glove box is down. Next, we'll look for where the cabin air filter is. Right here, there is a little clip. Just push on the little clip, and then this will pull right out. This is just covering it up. And behind it, you can see this is the cabin air filter right here. It's kind of wedged in, so to take it in and out, you have to smush it slightly. So if you just smush it a little bit, and then it will slide right out. To install the new filter, make sure that the arrow is pointing down. You're gonna have to slightly smush the filter so that it will fit. Pushing it back so it's slightly smushed in here, and then it will pop into place fully aligned so it's not smushed anymore. Next, to put it back together, we'll install this cover. The end piece for this cover goes right there. It slides into that little compartment right there. Sliding that piece back into the end compartment. Once it's clicked into the end compartment, just line it up and then click right here. Now that's covered up. Then we're going to close the glove box. Just do that by pushing it up and it will automatically go under there. The last thing we need to do to put it back together is take this latch right here, line up the plastic nub with the hole, and then push down on it in that direction. And once that's latched, you can push the glove box closed, and that's how to change the cabin air filter. Let me know if you have any questions.